In today's market, offshore fishing boats come in so many shapes and sizes that it can be overwhelming knowing where to even start. So let me share with you the 3 models I am most excited about this year. These all-American boats are taking the country by storm and are continuing the trend we've seen where offshore fishing is evolving into so much more. What does the best offshore boat look like? Each one of these boats has a unique way to answer that question. Let's start with the Grady-White 340 Express, the latest evolution of Grady-White's bestseller. This boat has been the gold standard for families who want to take offshore fishing seriously without compromising on comfort. Its predecessor, the 330 Express, launched in 2001 and has been one of the most successful models since. They were living by the motto, if it's not broke, don't fix it. But with new demands from modern-day boaters, the 340 Express was born. And man did they deliver. We are talking about big upgrades in design, focused on luxury, comfort, and multi-functionality. It features an all-new glass enclosure with improved visibility, and they moved the cabin entrance to the port side instead of having it in the middle, giving a more dedicated space at the helm. They also added a new seating layout, enabling guests to communicate with the captain underway. Down below, the layout is also better, with a modern touch of the interior, more space, and an improved layout. The new model is now powered by either dual Yamaha 450s or triple 350s. You get a best of both worlds with a higher max speed, better fuel economy. The one thing I would like to see in this 340 is a slightly larger seating area in the cabin that could accommodate 4 people more comfortably, like some of the other boats in this class. But hey, buying a boat is always about compromising. Next up, we have the Valhalla 33, and this is one of the boats I'm very impressed by in 2026. The 33 from Valhalla was clearly developed to offer a more affordable Valhalla model to the consumer, and the 33 does this beautifully. I saw the boat for the first time at the Palm Beach Boat Show, and I was very impressed by the details and build quality. This is a new model from Valhalla, and it comes with a lot of bells and whistles from the manufacturer. With the option for twin 450s, I feel certain that the performance is not going to disappoint anyone. Hardcore fishermen will appreciate to fish in luxury, and any family will love the comfortable seating and features on board while at the sandbar. The only thing I didn't like about the boat was the cabin door. It completely blocks passage to the foredeck while open, but a small gripe on such a beautiful boat. And of course, you know I couldn't leave Viking off my list. Viking has for a long time been a sports fisher's dream, and the 50 does not change that. The Billfish models from Viking are great boats, and they do equally well fishing the Outer Banks as they do entertaining guests as anchor. Their new 50 Billfish includes many of the features from their convertible models, and a feature that caught my eye in the one I saw in Palm Beach during the boat show was a dedicated rod and reel cabin. It was very unique and I loved it. The Billfish line was introduced to give buyers a more bare-bone fishing option compared to their convertible series. But as the list of luxury options has grown over the years, the difference between their Billfish and convertible models is slowly fading. Aside from price, what do you think is the best reason to choose a Billfish over the convertible? Either way, you know you'll have to pay for the Viking name and their reputation for great build quality, with the Billfish 50 coming in around $3 million. But if you're looking for the ultimate luxury turnkey fishing boat, the Viking should be on your list. Whether you're at the beginning of your boat buying journey or you know exactly where you want to land, the buying process matters just as much as the boat itself. If any of these boats caught your eye, or if you're in the market and wondering what actually makes sense for your situation, that's exactly what we do at Current Yachts. Not to sell you something, but to help you make the right call. Hit subscribe if you want to keep seeing honest breakdowns like this one. Drop your questions in the comment section and let us know which one of these 3 boats would you take out first, and where would you go? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the water.